Fenugreek, Methi, is an herb and cultivated worldwide as a semiarid crop. Its seeds and leaves are common ingredients in dishes from the Indian subcontinent and have been used as a culinary ingredient since ancient times. Fenugreek has been used for centuries to treat various health conditions in alternative medicine. You can use fenugreek help to treat diabetes by lowering blood sugar after meals by taking supplements, adding fenugreek to recipes, or by drinking it as a tea. Fenugreek seeds contain fiber and other chemicals that may slow digestion and the body's absorption of carbohydrates and sugar. The seeds also help improve how the body uses sugar and increases the amount of insulin released. Other benefits of fenugreek. There have not been any side effects or complications connected with fenugreek. A 2007 study even found that fenugreek can actually protect your liver from the effects of toxins. A 2009 study suggests that fenugreek can stop the growth of cancer cells and act as an anti-cancer herb. Fenugreek can also help reduce the symptoms of pain during menstrual cycles in women. However, you can use fenugreek help to treat diabetes by lowering blood sugar. How to use fenugreek for diabetes. Number 1. Fenugreek tea. Drink fenugreek with hot water or making a fenugreek tea seems to produce the best results according to some studies. One study showed no significant results for patients who took fenugreek with yogurt, while those who took fenugreek with hot water experienced significant improvement. Participants in this study consumed a total of 10 grams of fenugreek per day. 1. Crush or pulverize 2.5 grams of fenugreek seeds using a mortar and pestle or food processor. 2. Add the seeds to a mug and pour 8 ounces of boiling water over them. 3. Stir well with a spoon. 4. Then wait for the mixture to cool to drinking temperature and enjoy. Number 2. Add fenugreek to food. Fenugreek seeds have a bitter, nutty taste. They're often used in spice blends. Indian recipes use them in curries, pickles, and other sauces. Some people do like the taste of fenugreek and may opt to add the seeds to food. You can seek out recipes that include fenugreek, or simply sprinkle the seeds on your food as a garnish. When adding fenugreek to food, 10 grams was a common dosage in some studies. Notes: always make sure to talk to your doctor before adding any herbal medicines to your regimen. Hello, peeps. Thank you so much for watching at Bliss Health TV. Thumb up and make subscribe. I'll be more than happy to help you with more such informative videos daily.